Trade Republic has just made two huge changes to its offering. The main product change that has been introduced from September 15th is the addition of bond investing to the Trade Republic platform. But not just bond investing, fractional bond investing. Trade Republic is the first broker in Europe to enable investing in government and corporate bonds with as little as €1. For example, let's say I want to invest in Irish government bonds. To do so, I simply click Invest, scroll down to Bonds, filter the country to Ireland, select the bond that I want to invest in, click Buy, enter the euro amount that I want to invest, hit Next, view the order summary, and complete the order. That's it. It's as simple as that. Historically, bond investing has been quite inaccessible and complex for the average investor. Trade Republic, in line with its ethos for simplicity, has set out to change that with this update. There are over 500 liquid government and corporate bonds available on the Trade Republic platform. Bonds can be filtered by their time to maturity, whether they're government or corporate issued, the industry of the issuer, country, and currency. This will provide investors with easy access to fixed income securities, allowing them to easily avail of changing interest rate environments and to build a diversified and flexible portfolio that is tailored to their specific circumstances. The bonds on offer vary in rating from investment grade to B rated. Investment grade bonds are considered to be of a high quality with a low risk of default, whereas a B rated bond is riskier with a high chance of default and typically a higher yield to reflect that fact. Buying and selling bonds on Trade Republic will cost just €1 per trade. Then we have interest. Trade Republic was one of the first brokers to offer a competitive interest rate on uninvested cash held with its partner banks way back in January 2023. Up until now, that rate of interest has been locked at 2%, and in the meantime, competitors such as Book Zero and Lightyear have been able to offer a higher rate to European investors. However, starting October 1st, Trade Republic customers will now receive 4% interest on their uninvested cash up to €50,000, which is held with Trade Republic's partner banks. For context, that's equal to the full ECB deposit facility rate, which is going to be very welcome in European countries where banks have been slow to pass on higher deposit rates to customers. As I mentioned, 4% interest on Trade Republic doesn't come into effect until October 1st, and until then, the 2% interest rate will persist. When in the Trade Republic app, click on Cash. Next, scroll down and under Benefits, click on the Interest tab. You'll be prompted to activate 4% interest, and once you do, you'll see that the rate is scheduled to begin on October 1st. Given that cash deposits held via Trade Republic with the partner banks are protected up to 100 grand, this updated offering represents a risk-free and instant access opportunity to earn 4% interest on your cash, one of the best rates on offer by a broker. With that being said, if you do want to try out Trade Republic for yourself, you can do so using the first link in the description and comment section of this video. Using this link supports me as a creator and lets me know that you found this video to be useful. Let me know what your thoughts are on the latest changes by Trade Republic and whether you're going to be availing of these new features.